In this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet an uppercase letter B. Coming up next. Hi, I'm Diette, and welcome to Turtle Creativity, where we make crafting and crocheting easy. Today I'm excited because today I'm going to show you how to crochet an uppercase letter B. Now, for this project, you're going to need yarn, of course. I'll be using Red Heart Super Saver in the color white. You'll also need a crochet hook. I'll be using a size letter I. You'll need a pair of scissors and a yarn needle. Well, I'm going to roll up my sleeves just a tad, and I'm ready to get crocheting now. So let's go ahead and get started with crocheting the uppercase letter B. Now for this crochet project, you would need to know how to chain, double crochet, and half double crochet. If any of those stitches you do not know, it's okay. I'll link somewhere up here a video series that I teach you those basic crochet skills. Now, without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started and crochet this uppercase letter B. So we're going to go ahead and start with chaining a total of 36 chains. Okay, so there is a total of 36 chains. Now in this first chain right here, we're going to put 3 double crochets in this first chain from the hook. So I'm just going to pull up a little bit on my yarn, and I'm going to yarn over, and I'm going to go ahead and put the 3 double crochets in this chain space. So that's 1. I'm going to pull some more yarn out. Okay. 2, and here's our last double crochet. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to crochet in the next 12 chain spaces 1/2 double crochet. So to do that, we're going to yarn over in this chain space right here. We're going to go ahead and put a 1/2 double crochet. All right, so that's 1. So now we have 11 more to do. I'll meet you once you get to the end of doing those 1/2 double crochets. And for the 12th one, yarn over, insert your hook in, and there is our 12 1/2 double crochets. All right, so over our next 5 chain spaces, we're going to do 5 1/2 double crochets together. So what that means is I'm not going to complete the 1/2 double crochet over the next 5 chains. I'm going to do part of a 1/2 double crochet, and then I'm going to move on to the next chain space. And I'm going to continue doing that over the next 5 chains, leaving a portion of my loops on my hook. And then once I get in the 5th chain, I'll pull through all 5. Let me show you exactly what I mean. Yarn over, I'm going to insert my hook in, pull up. There are 3 loops on my hook. So I'm going to pull through the first 2, leaving these 2 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over, and I'm going to go into my next chain space. Okay. Yarn over, pull through 2, and I'm going to do it again in the next chain space. I'm going to continue to do that for the next 3 chain spaces. All right, so now that we have 5 onto our hook, I'm going to yarn over, and I'm going to pull through all 5 of my loops. And I'm going to chain 1. What that did was create this part of my B. Okay? And so now I'm going to kind of turn my work and now I'm going to work alongside this portion of my bee. So in the next 3 chain spaces, I'm going to put 1/2 double crochet in the next 3 chain spaces. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 2 half double crochets together, and I'm going to repeat this for 6 times. So let me show you how we're going to do 2 half double crochets together. So yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain space, pull up. 3 is on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert your hook in the next chain space, pull up. 1, 2, 3, 4 loops is on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 4 of those loops. Yarn over and chain. Okay, so that was 1. We need to do that now 5 more times. Now that we've completed that pattern, we're going to put a half double crochet in the next 3 stitches. So now what we're going to do is we're going to kind of twist our work up, because we're going to connect this part of our work here to create the first part of our bee. So let's go ahead and count down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert our hook in, and we're going to do a slip stitch in this chain space. Okay? And now what we're going to do is kind of line up the stitches just like this. Slip stitch in the middle. Kind of pull the tail down. So pull through, slip stitch. And now we're going to do another slip stitch from the corner into our next chain space. I'm going to kind of pull the tail out of the way. All right, so go ahead and slip stitch that together, okay? So in our next chain space, right here, we're gonna put a slip stitch in the next chain space. Now, we're gonna kind of twist our bee kind of upside down. And now we're gonna work downside the bee, so like this portion of the bee. So this space right here, we're going to put a single crochet right here. Okay. Now in our next space, we're going to put a half double crochet right here in this chain space. Half double crochet. Okay. Now we're going to chain 9. So now our 9 chains is done. Now what we're going to do is twist our bee again. I know it's a lot of twisting and turning and pulling, but it's okay. In the end, we're going to have a beautiful letter B. Uppercase letter B, that is. So now what we're going to do is count down 4 again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here is where we're going to put our slip stitch here. So we're connecting the bottom part of our B to our work with a slip stitch, just like that. In our next chain space right here, we're going to do a half double crochet. All right, turn your work. Now, what we're going to do is in each one of these chain spaces, we're going to put 2 half double crochets. Let's go ahead and do that in each one of these chain spaces. So now I am at my last chain space and I'm going to put 2 half double crochets right here. And now what I'm going to do is right here in the middle, just going to find a little spot and I'm going to do a slip stitch to connect it. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of turn my letter B like this. And in each stitch, I'm going to put a single crochet all the way around my letter B. So let's go ahead and do that now. 1 single crochet in each chain space. Okay, so for our last couple of single crochets, I'm gonna go ahead and put that one there. Okay, and now all I'm gonna do is just slip stitch in the next chain space and pull up on my yarn. Okay, take my scissors and cut my yarn. So now what I'm going to do is sew in my tails. So what I'm going to do now is give my letter B a burst of heat, because in the midst of me creating it, it can get a little bit curvy and twisty. So I just want to give it just a little burst of heat. And I'm going to do that with my easy press. So I'm going to turn my letter B on the wrong side, lay my little Teflon sheet down, and I'm going to set my timer for about 3 seconds. Like I said, just a quick burst of heat. Here is our finished uppercase crocheted letter B. I'll see you in the next one, and subscribe for more.